guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I just did like a nice little makeup. I was really trying to motivate myself to vlog today because I didn't want to. And this vlog has to go up literally tomorrow. It's February 2nd today and I'm trying to post every Thursday. So y'all should see my commitment because I'm literally about to vlog a vlog and then sit for like 6 hours and edit it so it can be up tomorrow. So please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up because honestly, a girl is working hard trying to stay consistent, and every subscriber that I get makes me like so happy and gives me like all the motivation in the world. And I actually just hit 252 subscribers, which is a quarter way to 1,000, which is like so cool to me. Like I finally made it like that milestone, and it's only 250, but it's still like a quarter way. That's awesome. I don't really know what I want to do today. I'm currently in the process of painting, which I don't know when I'm gonna post that vlog. I'm still not done. I still have to do the back wall and stuff. Ugh. Who is texting me and interrupting my vlogging time? Yeah, so I still have to finish that painting. I want to post it tomorrow, but it's not done because I haven't finished painting, so like whatever. I think today I wanted to clean my closet because my closet is horrific. I don't know why, like I feel like when I was painting, like throughout the painting that I've done so far, which here is a little sneak peek. Keep watching because I'm like doing like a, don't keep watching this vlog, but like subscribe so you can see the vlog that's coming where I redo my entire room, and I'm telling you it's gonna be amazing. But here's a sneak peek of that because I feel like when I was painting and stuff, I just got really lazy and was just throwing stuff in my closet, which is not like actually like me. I don't really do that, especially since I got married and I'm living with Ali. I really try to keep it clean, but also like I was like I can vlog, so like whatever, I'll just clean it later. And then I just kept saying that, and now it's been a few days and it's really gross. So yeah, I need to do that. I need to do laundry. That being said, I think I'm gonna start on the closet, but I'll give you guys a little outfit. First, this is like how my makeup turned out. I just did like a brown eyeshadow with like a reddish colored eyeshadow, I guess, on my inner corner. And then yeah, you guys saw me do that, and I straightened my hair. I don't have my hair extensions in. It feels so weird, but I love it. And this is my outfit. So I'm just literally wearing black leggings. I love how my mirror is literally so gross, like why? But I'm wearing black leggings, and this shirt is from Shein. If you watched my last vlog where I did like a Shein try on haul, this was one of the shirts I got. It's so comfy. I love it. It's kind of see-through. You can kind of see my sports bra and leggings underneath, but I like don't mind. I don't care. But leggings, I don't know where they're from. My mom got them for me for Christmas. So yeah. And that being said, wow, like look at that. Like wow, so cute. That being said, let me show you guys my closet. Please don't judge me and just think of the content of cleaning it, and hopefully this motivates you to get off your butt and go clean. I don't care if it's your closet, if your bed needs made or anything. Like I know you're sitting there and you're like, I need to do something, whether it's cleaning, studying, whatever. Just get up and do it and watch my vlog, because like we can suffer together, because I don't want to clean my closet, but I'm going to. So like you should too, and then I'll know that other people are like suffering with me. And if this did motivate you to clean, then comment down below, because yeah. Okay, let me show you guys. Don't judge me. So Ali and I have like our walk-in closet like right beside our desk, and then this is what it looks like. There's like lots of like storage and whatnot. These are like Ali's clothes. These are all like my clothes. Some of mine down there. And then there's this. And our laundry basket is full, and these are all dirty and like they need to go in there, but I need to do laundry. And then right here is where we keep like our socks, underwear, so on and so forth. You get what's up. I want to get rid of this red bucket because it's my mom's. I have to give it back to her. And then this I want to like organize. I don't know if I'm gonna do that today, but up here is just so like messy and stuff. But let's just quickly clean up the floor because I feel like that might be the easiest. Why is my butt wet? I feel like I'm sitting on something that's making my butt wet.
Say goodbye yet. Can I change your mind? 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine.
This is what I mean by I need to like do laundry. This is not good. Like this is a huge laundry basket and nothing fits inside of it, so like a girl needs to do laundry. So I'm gonna like pack up some laundry. I feel like I literally just put this all there and now I'm literally taking it all down. Like why was I so dumb? Why didn't I just do this from the beginning? Why did I have to make life hard for me? Camera, you're so bright. Annoying! Ugh, I feel like towels take up the most space in my laundry. Ugh. Which, by the way, if you guys, I'm gonna do like an Amazon favorites video pretty soon. Let me know if you guys want that. Like, comment down below, because I've been wanting to do one. And these are like, this laundry basket is one of the things I got from Amazon. Like, it has like 2 sections in it. So one for Allie's laundry, one for mine. And I don't like washing my laundry with Allie. I don't know why. I just feel like I'm more prioritized towards my clothes getting washed, because I feel like he doesn't really have a lot of laundry, but he has a lot of clothes. So I just feel like I care about my laundry more than his. So here's that.
I won't say goodbye yet. Cannot change your mind. 'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine.
Okay, I filled a bag for me to wash, and then I'm going to fill a bag of Allie's clothes because I figured I'd finally do a load for him, the poor guy. Just kidding, I always do his laundry, but I figured I'd finally, instead of doing my laundry, well, instead of just doing a load of mine, I'll also try to get one of his done. So I'm gonna fill this up next. Allie's is done. Okay guys, so now I just have this laundry basket that has been sitting in my closet for like literally forever, and I want to empty it so that I can put the towels where there's a lot of and do them. So I'm gonna hang these up quickly. Okay guys, so like I kind of cleaned up. So I just like hung up all my clothes, and then down here I got rid of that laundry basket. I got rid of the red bucket. Over here I just have my big purse and then my new Nike shoes. I cleaned up the ground, so spotless. The laundry basket is not fully empty, but there's still some space and I can have some time to catch up on laundry. Here's just our extra coat hangers. So the pink ones are mine, the gray ones are his. All of his are gray coat hangers. All mine are pink, except for I have some gray ones because I need to buy more pink ones because I have too many freaking clothes. I didn't do up here yet, but honestly this is a lot better. At least we can like walk in there and whatnot. It looks way better. This red thing needs to go to the basement. Those are the 2 bags of laundry, so this one is mine, this one is his. I need to do those today. And those are all the towels, which I'm gonna put in there. And yeah, room is like pretty okay. I'm like in the long like re-makeover process right now, so I don't really care about the room. But yeah, that being said, I think I'm gonna go and put on the laundry. Okay guys, so I just cleaned my closet. Allie is in the background.
No, he's not.
Eating Kit Kats.
Babe, come on. Can you hear me up?
I told him to leave so that I could vlog, and then when he refused, I said, okay, well, I'm gonna show you eating Kit Kats. He snacks a lot, guys. But yeah, that is it for today's vlog. As you guys know, I'll be posting this on February 3rd, which means my birthday is the next day. So like, if you want to give me a present, the best present would be if you subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up, because your girl's trying to be a YouTuber and not have to work or go to school. so that I can just be making money and follow my dreams and all that stuff, and he has to work. So like, subscribe, like, and comment, and yeah, so the next vlog should be like my room transformation. Like, you guys already got like a pretty big sneak peek, so you guys should feel lucky, but my next vlog should be that, so stay tuned for that. And that being said, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys!